International corporate relocations involve much more than shipping furniture. When an employee relocates to Spain, they're also moving their family, their daily routine, and often an entire household. A successful relocation requires planning on both the employer's and employee's side. Every assignment is different. Some employees relocate for a few years. Others are making a permanent move. Some travel alone while others relocate with spouses, children, and pets. Because every assignment is unique, relocation plans should be customized rather than treated as a one-size-fits-all. Coordination makes a difference. Good communication between the employee, employer, and moving company can help everyone stay on the same page. Travel dates, packing schedules, documentation, delivery planning. Each step works best when it's coordinated early, helping employees focus on their new role. The less time employees spend worrying about logistics, the more time they can focus on settling into their new position. Professional relocation services help simplify the moving process by coordinating packing, transportation, and delivery while providing guidance throughout the move. That's valuable for both the employee and the company. Corporate moves are about more than transportation. They're about helping people begin a new chapter with confidence. Whether you're relocating one employee or an entire team, careful planning can make the experience significantly smoother. Give us a call, 844-651-7050, or visit our website, movertospain.com.